Welcome to SSPTV Community News. I'm Lisa Sugart. Well, today we are here at the Senior Expo at the Laurel Mall, and it is being hosted by State Representative Dane Watro from the 116th Legislative District. Representative Watro, this is something that you do all the time. Why is this so important?
This is near and dear to my heart. Let's face it, seniors need help, they need guidance. We need to get our seniors on the right track. So we got some glucose testing done today for them, blood pressure, and so many good services. Our table set up here, and it's just to help them and let them know what's out there to help them.
And you've teamed up with other legislators as well, so that it's kind of one-stop shopping all under one roof. Yeah,
Representative Cabell, his office is here, Senator Argall's office is here, and it's just it's joyful to know everybody comes together. We're all surrounding this community, so we're all here to help our senior citizens.
What type of other services are here?
Insurance, state-related services. We have medical facilities, whole host of services provided to our seniors.
And what kind of reaction or feedback do you get from the people who come and participate in this?
Yeah, very welcoming. I gotta tell you, I shook so many hands today, and they're super happy. It gives them a day out, and to provide them with services they didn't know that they had or were eligible for.
And maybe some of them have difficulty getting around to like all these different places, but when you put them all together, they can get it all done quickly under one roof.
Yes, very true. You talked about services earlier. We even had Veterans Affairs office here from up in Wilkes-Barre. So I'm super thankful for everybody that came out today.
One of the booths participating here at the Senior Expo is Lehigh Valley Hospital, Hazleton. I'm pleased to be joined by Lisa Marie Halecki, who is the Public Relations Manager at Lehigh Valley, Hazleton. Lisa Marie, you have faithfully, the hospital has been here, I think, at each and every expo that's ever taken place. Why is this so important?
Well, it is. It's so important for us to be in the community, letting them know the resources that they have for their health care, and also expressing to them the importance of early detection. That's why we have cholesterol screenings, we have blood pressure screenings, and glucose, so they can manage their health in a better way, so we don't see them in the hospital, and we can have them healthy in our community. That's what's important to us, and also being here for when they are sick and having those resources for them.
Do some people that come here say, this is the first time I've had it checked, either ever or in a long time, because maybe they haven't been to the doctor?
Some people, yes. But a lot of people, I have to say, are very astute on their care, and they do go to the doctor quite often. But yeah, there are those people that just aren't getting what they absolutely need. So yeah, that's why we're glad we're here.
One of the people that I caught up with here at the Senior Expo is Antoinette Libanotti. Antoinette, are you enjoying this event?
Very, very much. It's a wonderful thing. I was just interested in all the different information that I got and the samples and whatever, and speaking to the people. I thought they were nice.
Is this something you've been to before, or is this your first time?
No, I've been here before, not in the recent years, but years back I've been here.
What are some of the benefits of coming to this?
Well, I would say you're getting a lot of information, and if you need help in any particular thing, they give you all the background, and it's informative.
Another of the vendors here at the Senior Expo today is the American Cancer Society, the Hazleton chapter, and Jane Doherty is the co-chair of the upcoming 46th annual American Cancer Society Telethon. That's amazing.
Isn't it? We can hardly believe it. My co-chair, Clemia Mona, has been here for all 46 telethons, and I'm happy to say she'll be with us this year too. So our telethon takes place Saturday, November 23rd, from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m., and it'll be held at the Pennsylvania Theater of Performing Arts in downtown Hazleton.
So that's great. You're getting the word out about that here today. But you're talking about, I guess, the many services that are provided for people who pass by this way to talk with you.
Yes, today we had a great crowd at the Senior Expo, and we're happy to promote our services. We have several very important projects that we're involved in. One is at the Topper Cancer Institute, part of Lehigh Valley Health Network in Hazleton. We have staff and volunteers there every Tuesday mornings, that will answer your questions, help you register for our services, or just sit and talk with you if you need an ear, someone to listen to. One of the services we promote is our Road to Recovery program. We have 6 volunteer drivers in the greater Hazleton area, and they provide free rides to and from medical appointments and cancer treatments anywhere. Hazleton, Hershey, Philadelphia, Wilkes-Barre, Scranton, Danville, wherever you need to go, we can probably find you a driver. We have one driver, he won't like me to mention his name, so I won't, but he's been providing rides 5 days a week for the last 6 weeks to a patient in Hazleton who otherwise couldn't get treatment because he has no way to get there. So we're very proud to promote that service, and we're happy to have you call our famous number anytime for services, 570-459-1212.
The Pennsylvania State Police also has a booth here at the Senior Expo. I'm now joined by Trooper Anthony Petrosky, Public Information Officer for the State Police at Troop N. Trooper Petrosky, what are people coming by your booth to ask about, or what information are you providing for them?
Talking a lot about scams. This is a problem that we see specifically in our senior citizen community, and an event like this today gives us an opportunity to get out and educate people, because everybody keeps asking, when are these phone calls, emails, text messages going to stop? And unfortunately the answer is they're not going to stop. The best way we can not become victims is to educate ourselves. So we're talking a lot about distraction burglaries today, phone call scams, and even skimming devices, which is usually put on gas pumps, and I'm explaining to them the safe way for them to pay. So hopefully everybody who comes here today leaves a little bit smarter, and with that knowledge won't become a victim to a crime.
For our viewers, what do they do if they come across, or if they are afraid of a skimming device?
Yeah, so the best way right now to pay is using tap to pay, the contactless payment. Because if there's a skimming device on a gas pump and you use tap to pay, it will not read your card. So that's the best way to pay. And a lot of people say, well, I'm not good with technology, I'm not tech savvy. This is very simple. As long as you have the capabilities on your credit card, all you have to do is tap the payment card at the gas pump or the store, and it automatically pays. It's very simple.
And if anybody has questions about this, they can reach out to the State Police, correct?
Yes, I'd be glad to do a presentation or just have a one-on-one conversation with anybody about scams, anything related to that. They can call me at the State Police Barracks in Hazleton.
Now, among the many people who are coming out for the Senior Expo, our very own Rocco Aruzzo, the Laurel Mall's property manager. So this day, I heard, was very successful.
Very, very successful. It started out at 7 o'clock this morning, actually set up yesterday, 75 vendors.
What was the reaction to the people who came out? Why do they come to this each and every year?
I'll tell you what, we get a lot of calls in the office for when they have this, because this is great information for all our seniors, our older Pennsylvanians. It gives them an opportunity to find out what's available to them health-wise, and any other services that they can have.
As I told Representative Watro, it's all under one roof, so they don't have to go to 10 different places.
No, we've been doing this now, this is 9 years for me, and it is, you're right, they can come right here, everything is here at their fingertips, from the health to the state representative giving their information. They can have testing done. This is great for the community.